just love how my babies are coming along.
Oh, hey, honey.
Oh, hi, Candy.
So, you can see me then.
What? Of course I can see you. You're right there.
Prove it. If you can see me, what am I wearing?
Huh? What you're always wearing? You have on your orange dress, and you have pink tomatoes for hair. What's wrong, Candy?
Well, if you can see me, that means that my magic sunglasses are broken.
Magic sunglasses? Oh, those magic sunglasses. The ones that make you invisible.
Exactly.
Oh.
Well, do we try again?
Sure, Candy, we can try again.
Okay. So, when I come back in, you can pretend that I'm invisible.
Okay.
Okay. Ta-da!
You're invisible, all right.
So now can you see me?
Who said that?
Candy, honey. That's Drone. Let's pretend I'm invisible.
Okay.
Okay, it'll be fun. Just go with the flow, okay?
I'll go with the flow.
All right. Hi, honey. Hey, Candy.
Oh, hi, Drone.
Hi. I was just looking for you guys to ask you a question.
Okay.
What's up with Candy?
With who? I don't see anyone.
She's right there.
Where? I don't see anyone.
Is that a trick? She's right there.
Well, if you can see her, what is she wearing?
What she's always wearing. Her orange dress. And pink tomatoes for hair.
Do you see anything else? Look closely.
Well, now that you mention it, she's wearing her sunglasses.
Exactly. Her sunglasses. The ones that make her, you know.
Oh, I got it. The ones that make her invisible. Huh.
Exactly.
Okay.
Drone, why were you looking for us?
Well, I thought I'd take you guys out for some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yeah, I'm buying ice cream. Well, why didn't you say that all the time?
Drone, did you hear anything?
No, do you?
No. Let's go.
Okay.
Ice cream.
What? Wait, I'm right here. Can't eat ice cream if you're invisible.
Nope. No, you can't.
Hey, I know you can see me.